Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Plantation Village, a prestigious gated community in St. Anne on the North Coast, offers spacious, contemporary homes and oversized lots. Conveniently located 20 minutes west of Ocho Rios, this community provides easy access to attractions like Dolphin Cove, Mystic Mountain, Chukka Cove, beaches, and more. The subject home was meticulously constructed in 2015 on an expansive 12,000 plus square feet lot. It features a welcoming foyer, a spacious living room, a cozy TV room, and an elegant dining room, and a well appointed kitchen adorned with granite countertops. Additionally, the residence includes three standard bedrooms, each with its own ensuite bathroom, as well as a master bedroom with his and hers walk-in closets and a luxurious master bathroom, further enhancing its appeal. The property boasts a two-car garage, a convenient laundry room, a powder room, pool, and a covered back patio, all sheltered by a charming clay tile roof. Don't hesitate. Seize this opportunity and make that call today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 650,000 or Jamaican $100 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.